Yeah, that would be a little affair.
Alright, man, this is kind of funny. Because on the real, I know this dude's a dummy. Straight up, I can tell him in his face. He a bitch, he likes semen because he know how it tastes. Man, you know you want disgrace. You mean I'm a real bad boy. Because I can fuck your sister, your moms, and your grams, boy. I can do it like that. My flow's sick and everybody know that you whack. I mean, come on. You already been through this before. And everybody know you're the champion. You just more like a whore. Oh, do the game. And on the real, nigga, get out of my lane. I'm zooming. I'm way gone. Living in the sky. You only rapping out here and every shit that you're living is a lie. You don't even get high. You don't know how to get by. Talking over that dope shit. Nigga, you ain't on crack. And I can say once again that this dude is whack. Whack to the bone. Nigga, you should take yourself back home. Before you get clapped in the bone.
Time's up, time's up. Give it up, time's up. Okay, so last round. Serial, you're on 1 minute. Time, are you ready?
Alright, let's go.
Yo, you here popping off like an unhinged Glock, but your girlfriend is at home waiting to heat up my cock. Okay, I already beat you 2-zip. You must be stupid to think you can get on the mic and rip shit. I spit without grips, I got a slippery flow. I'm the one, nigga, I'm gonna beat you and I'm gonna give you the dough. Okay? The mama's a hoe, and you don't even know. You don't know who your papa is because you try here and spit, but shit, you ain't got shit, man, shit. Go home, I'll give you the cab fare. Here, sell my phone. What you want to do? You want to rap again? You want to pretend that you got that lyrical blend? Do it again? What you want to say? You know what? I got about 30 seconds left, but I ain't going to wreck it. I'm going to let them guess the rest.
Wait, do we have any other two cats who can go on? Keep like, where guys at? August, where you at? August!